Mangoes around the year. Questions from textbook solved. Discussed. First question: how did Aman know that the potato sabji had got spoiled? Answer: the bad smell from the potato sabji gave the clue. Second question: have you ever seen some food that has got spoiled? How did you know that it was spoiled? Answer: yes, I have seen foods that have gone spoiled. The spoiled food smell bad and shows unusual colors. Third question: Preeti told Neetu not to eat the potato sabji. What would have happened if she had eaten it? Answer: she may have failed ill. I have she had eaten it. Right. First question. Look in your kitchen and write down name of food item that A can get spoiled in two to 3 days. Answer: milk, bread, dal, boiled rice. B can be kept for a week. Answer: potato, tomato, onion cake. C would not spoil till 1 month. Answer: fulu, raw rice, pickles, ghee. Second question: look at your friends list and discuss in the class. Answer: my friend list also contains similar item. Most of the cooked food get spoiled in 2 to 3 days. Most of the raw vegetable get spoiled in a week. Some of the dry grains can last a month and more than a month. Third question: will your list be the same in all seasons? What would change? Answer: not the list will change in different seasons. Food easily gets spoiled in summer than in winter. In rainy season, the excess moisture in the air hastens the percent process of boiling of food. Fourth question: when food gets spoiled in your house, what do you do with it? Answer: we throw the spoiled food in the garbage bin. BG return the bread. First question: look at the picture of the bread packet here and guess why BG returned it. How did she find that the bread had got spoiled? Answer: BG may have found that the expiry date of the bread had lapsed, so may have observed black plenty spot on the bread. So the pictures. Find out. Look carefully at 2-3 packed of food item. First question: what can we know from what is written on the packet? Answer: the food packet can give following information: price, weight, date of manufacturing, date of expiry, and ingredients. Second question: when you buy anything from the market, what do you look for on the packet? Answer: I checked for the date of manufacturing and expiry. I also checked for price and weight. What does food get spoiled? First question: the whole class can do this experiment together. Take a piece of bread or roti, sprinkle a few drops of water on it, and eat in a box. Close the box. See the bread or roti every day until you find some changes on it. Make this table on a chart paper and put it in the classroom. Fill up the chart every day after discussing the changes seen. Answer: day change in the bread or roti by touch, by smell, by looking through hand lens, by color. First, clumpy soft, light smell, normal. Second, clammy soft, light stringy smell, velvet like white layer, slightly white. Third, moist and soft, stringy smell, velvet like white color, white. 4. Do green beans, white colored, a small grass like structure, greenish white. Fifth, do greenish colored glass like structure, green. 6. Do greenish black colored, a small glass-like structure, greenish black. Second question, find out the reason for this change. From where did the fungus come on the bread? Answer, this change occurred because of rotting of bread. The spores of fungi are present in the air. What they get a moist food and food, they begin to grow. Third question, different kind of food item spoil due to different reasons. Some food spoil soon, some stay good for long, list some seasons and condition in which food spoil quickly. Answer, the food spoils quickly in summer and dairy season. Condition in which the food spoil quickly. It if cooked food is kept in open, if milk is not boiled properly, if green vegetables are kept in hot and humid places, if pickles are not protected against moisture. 4 question, given below are some food item and some simple method by which these would be kept fresh for 1 to 2 days. Match the correct pair. Food item and method. Milk, put in a boil and keep the milk put in a bowl and keep the bowl in a container with some water. Cooked rice, warp in a dumpy cloth. Green coriander dhania, boil it. Onion garlic, keep it in a dry open place. Answer, food item method. Milk, boil it. Cooked rice, put in a bowl and keep the bowl in container with some water. Green coriander dhania, warp in a damp cloth. Onion garlic, keep it in a dry open place. Right. First question, why was sugar and jaggery mixed into the mango pulp and dried in the sun? Answer, to make mamadi tandra am papar. Second question, why did Appa first choose most ripe mangoes to be used for making the mamkidi tandra? Answer, rip mango contains more juice and less fiber. Hence, Appa first chose the most ripe mangoes to be used for making the mamdi tandra. Third question, how did the brothers make the mamadi tandra? Write down step by step what they did for this. Answer, the brothers bought following things from the market. First, mat made from palm leaves, casuarians, poles, string made of coconut husks, jaggery and sugar. Second, they make a platform from casuaries, poles and mat. Third, mango juice was taken out and filled through a fine cloth to remove fibers. Fourth, a thin layer of juice was spread on the mat and left to dry. Fifth, in the evening, the air was covered with a sari to prevent dust from getting on it. Sixth, every day layer upon layer was added. Seventh, after about 4 weeks, a thick golden cake of mamdi tandra would be made. Fourth question, what things are made in your house from ripe and unripe mangoes? Answer, in my house, pickles and chutneys are made from unripe mangoes. Aam papar is made from ripe mangoes. Mango shake is also made from ripe mangoes. Fifth question, make a list of all the different types of pickles that you know about. Answer, pickle are made of following item: mangoes, amla, chili, lemon, jackfruit, carrot, radish, potato, etc. Find out and discuss. First question, is there any kind of pickle made in your house? What kind of pickle is it? Who makes it? From whom did they learn to make the pickle? Answer, there are many kinds of pickle made in my house. They are made from mango, chili, lemon and jackfruit. My mother makes these pickles. She learnt it from my grandmother. Second question, what are the things are needed to make any one rip of pickle in your house? How is the pickle made? Find out the recipe and write. Answer, let us take Example of mango pickle. Following things are needed to make salty mango pickle: raw mangoes, turmeric powder, red chili powder, cordinal powder, mustard seeds, any seeds, methi, kalauji, salt. While etc. Process: raw material is cut into small pieces and washed. It is sundied for a day to remove some moisture. All these species are mixed with raw mangoes. Then the mixture is put in glass or porcelain jar. While is poured so that the pickle mixture gets submerged in oil. This is left in sunshine for about a week. Third question: how are things? Third question: how are these things made in your house? First, papad, chutney. Third, badiyan. Answer: papad is made from different kinds of lentils and also from potato. For example, urad papad is made by grinding in the urad dal and mixing it with salt and other spices. A dough is made. Then papad is rolled out from the top. This is left in the sun for drying. A chutney is made from many things, but chutney of dhania and mirchi is very popular. Lot of coriander leaves and some green chili are around in a fine tasty. Salt is added as per taste. And this chutney is normally eaten fish. It can also be preserved for some days for adding on it while on it. And badiyan are also made from urad grains. Are soaked overnight in water and then ground into a porridge paste. Salt and spices are added as per taste. The small lumps are made on a cloth and left to dry in the sun. Fourth question: it is a two-day journey of train from Pune to Kolkata. If you were to go on this trip, what food items would you carry with you? How would you pack them? Make a list on the blackboard of all the packed food. What food would you eat first? Answer: I will carry those items food do not get spoiled easily. I will pack them in dry containers and packs. I will carry biscuit, chips, dry fruit, dry suit, dry sweets, sattu, gram powder, curd, chipda rice, flakes, murmure, cooked rice, puri, dry sabji, etc. I will first try to finish puri and sabji because they can get spoiled in a few days. What we have learnt? First question: glass jars and bottle are dried well in the sun before filling them with pickles. Why is that done? Do you remember what happened to the bread in the experiment? Answer: glass jar and bottles are dried well in the sun to remove any moisture. In the experiment with bread, the bread got spoiled because of moisture and fungus grew on it. Second question: do eat mangoes around the year? We make different items like pickles, papad, chutney, chikki, etc. List some other food with which we make different things so we can enjoy it throughout the year. Answer: following are example of food which can be enjoyed throughout the year. A. Pickles are made from many things. B. Many vegetables like cauliflower are sun dried for late use. C. Potato chips and banana chips are made so that they can last longer. D. Murabba. Murabba is prepared from white gourd and amia. E. Pida is made from milk.